We created this idea, okay, what if you use emerging technologies such as augmented reality to actually slow down consumption? So rather than producing more objects, why don't you use technology to actually let you see the objects that you possess already in a different way? So our artwork is made of 5 essential objects. We were looking into different ways of creating sustainable artworks when we talk about sustainability, so I think those elements were important for us as well.
When you come along and view the headset, the animations are overlaid over the object. The goal of this is people to step away from the objects and really consider like a future. Some things have worked really well, other things have broke, but that's been kind of the artistic process.
We are in the last stage of putting up our piece above the surface. Our table arrived as well, which is made of recycled plastic material.
One thing we've been exploring is augmenting over recycled plastic, so using this as a material, as a marker.
Harry and I'm really excited to show our artwork to the public today because we can really see how people actually engage.
The cube, our need for shelter. The pillow, our need for sleep. The plate, our need for food. The cup, our need for water. The air, essences of life.
I kind of got feelings of kind of the earth and what we're doing to the earth and preserving it and the importance of preserving our earth, definitely.
The team of Collusion is really ambitious and really amazing. They help you with technology, but they also really push to create new mindsets about how we interact with technology and how art can lead to these new ways of seeing.